So we've been reviewing this every time we have our show. This is the Chicago Mercantile Exchange's Fed Watch tool. And so, as expected, the Fed did nothing as far as policy changes this week. In May, you can see that the investors expect not much to happen as well. They expect the Fed to basically be on hold. But then in June, investors are starting to expect, and this is a little bit higher. If we take a look over here, the numbers last week were at 55%. The week before or a month ago, they were at 52%. So now we're coming up to about 2/3 of investors are really on board with a quarter point rate hike in June. And, the Fed hinted at 3 rate hikes. About a month ago, people were thinking there'd be 4. We'd be dropping interest rates by a point. The Fed's been resetting expectations to more like 3/4 of a point. But yeah, if you come all the way up to November, that's when we expect those 3/4 of a point to be locked in. There's a lot of ambiguity about whether that last rate drop will be in November or December, but June definitely looks like the first one. Maybe July will be on hold. September, the second one. And that's what we would expect. And this is kind of that soft landing that we keep questioning whether the Fed can do, but they seem to be doing.